I'm out of breath because I just walked a mile because I didn't want to pay $20 for parking. Hey guys, what's up? It's Nika with Fashionika, and today we are going together to Disneyland. Yeah, I'm gonna go on my own because, well, I feel like it'd be really liberating. I'm gonna go by myself. It's gonna be grand. I brought food, but I'm probably gonna buy food because I always get so tempted. But anyways, let's go to Disneyland together. Just walked a mile to park my car so I didn't have to pay $20 for parking. Is that worth it? Yeah, actually, because now I can get like a churro and a sandwich. I don't know. I'm so excited to eat. I'm like a mixture of nervous and excited right now. I don't know why. This is so weird. I've never had this feeling at Disneyland. We are here. Should I go to California Adventure or should I go to Disneyland? I get to choose. Well, how about you guys choose? 3, 2, 1, vote. How are ya? Thank you. I am here.
And then my friend want to come with me.
Uh-oh. And what'd you say?
So only me and her.
There you go. I wanted a first visit pin, and she asked me, oh, it's your first time going to Disneyland? And I said, oh no, it's my first time going to Disneyland alone. And so she gave me another pin. So this is the first pin she gave me. And then she gave me another pin that says, I'm celebrating liberation. I love it. I love it. This is so much fun. First things first, I want to get a fast pass at Space Mountain, my favorite ride. There's always such a long line. Hopefully the fast pass isn't like late at night because I really want to go on it, but we'll see what happens. Got my fast pass, but 10:30. What? Oh my god. There must be a lot of people at Disneyland today. So I was just told that Space Mountain does single passenger rider. Oh my god. Okay, the secret hack is to go to the Space Mountain exit, and that's the entrance for the single rider. There it is. Wow! Oh my goodness. We're doing 5 minutes. Oh my god. This is a hack, you guys.
From the left side, please. For your safety, remain seated.
You guys, it was such a struggle because I was trying to take my outfit of the day, and some guy was like super sweet and was like, oh, do you need help? And I was like, okay, sure. I'll show you guys the clip because it's actually pretty embarrassing.
Okay, it's recording.
Hi.
You want to say anything else?
That's it.
Okay.
Just hi. I don't know why, but I get so awkward when someone films me. It's not my boyfriend or my sister. Anyways, I am now wearing this little Mickey oversized sweatshirt. I really want a churro, but I just found out that Indiana Jones also has single passenger ride, so I'm just gonna milk it and see if I can get it and wait like 10 minutes and then get a churro. They weren't offering the single rider passenger, so I guess they say no once in a while, but 2 out of 3, I think that's a pretty good steal after only waiting like 10 minutes in total for a ride so far. This is so great. I'm gonna go get a churro. Can I get the cocoa churro, please? Thank you so much. I've never ordered a churro all to myself. I'm a little intimidated. My favorite churro, it is the cocoa churro. It's like cinnamon sugar, cocoa powder, and like it's super extra with this chocolate sauce, but it's my fave. I'm so excited. Wow. Oh my god. This is seriously the best day ever. I have to finish this whole thing. I'm gonna do it. I can do it. I've never been a quitter. I'm not starting now. Might as well go into California Adventure now, so. Thank you so much.
First, we're drawing a Pixar character for this class. Now, this guy is from Monsters, Inc. The idea with rough sketching is you draw lots and lots of messy lines like I'm doing up here. We're going to give him a little bit of a smirk on his face. He's a very confident character, which is easily seen.
Cute or whatever, yeah.
Before you leave, please make sure you brought your boards up against the back of your seat.
I feel like I did a good job. I made Sully from Monsters Incorporated. He kind of looks like Shrek, but I'm so proud. I got the Monte Cristo sandwich. I haven't tried this ever yet, but I've always wanted to. Oh my god. I ate the entire thing. So bomb. Highly recommend. Officially my #1 favorite food item at Disneyland. So good. The finale! Yes! Yes! Oh my goodness! Holy crap! So loud! Oh! Alright, I am outside of Disneyland. I am so pooped. But anyways, I had so much fun going to Disneyland on my own, and honestly I was so nervous, but I would totally do this again. It was very nerve-wracking thinking like I was going to be bored or something, but I feel like I learned you can't really depend on someone else for your happiness, and I had so much fun and I was so happy the whole day, and I ate a lot of good food. I hope this inspired you guys to go out of your box and never say never. But anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video. Subscribe and like this video if you want to see more vlogs, and I'll see you guys in the next. Bye!